A Wix website help your local marketing agency attract clients with a professional design with SEO and lead generation tools. And in this video, I'm going to be walking through a simple step-by-step guide on how you can create a Wix website for a local marketing agency. So let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through several different steps that you can take to create a local marketing agency website. So let's get started, which is the first one. So the first step is to go to your Wix and sign in or create an account in there. Once you already have an account, you can just simply log into your account, and after that, click on create new site, then select marketing and advertising as your category. Then from there, choose a pre-designed template or start from a scratch with the Wix editors. Then on the step 2, you have to edit site in the Wix editors. Then after that, you can modify the home page layout, color and font to match your brand, and also upload your agency logo and add a professional headers. You can also use high quality image or graphics, which you can also get that from the Wix media library or custom upload. Then after that, on your step 3, the next thing to do is to add essential page. So to do that, go to the home brief intro with a strong headline and call to action, which is the CTA. Then after that, you have to input the about us, which is your agency mission, team and expertise. And after that, you have to fill in the details of your marketing service, which is the SEO, the PPC, the show media and the branding and all of that. Then after that, you have to showcase your past projects and your client success stories, which should be inside your portfolios or your case study. Then after that, you have to add a new client review for credibility. You can also share a marketing tips and insight that should be under your blog or probably a testimonials. And after that, you have to add a contact page, which include the contact form for which is your phone number, your email and your local location, which should be on the Google map. Then on the step 4, you have to set up your booking and contact form. So to do that, go to editors, then click on add, which is the plus icon button, then click on confirm, then click on contact and forms, then select the contact forms or book a free consultation. Then after that, you have to connect it to your Wix form or Wix booking for easy lead generation. Then after that, you have to go to the settings and click on SEO and click on SEO and add. Then from there, add your page title, your description with the relevant keywords and your custom URL for easy navigation. Then after that, you have to enable the mobile friendly view in editor for mobile views. Just click on mobile view just to make it more accessible. Then after that, all your social media, you can also add your social media link, which is your Facebook, your LinkedIn, your Instagram and Twitter. Then also you can also install Google Analytics for website performance tracking. Then after that, once all of this is you are well satisfied, then you can click on preview to check your site, then click on publish to go live. And also you can also promote your website using the SEO or a blog content, which is the social media ads and email marketing. So you can also use Google My Business listing for best results, and that's how to create a Wix website for local marketing agency. Find the video, put on the description button and follow for more. Thank you.